Hello, this is Jennifer with day 17 of our 21 days of lace knit stitches. And this stitch is very similar to the stitch that we did yesterday, except we're going to make it on a bigger scale. So we are enlarging it. So instead of it being an 8-row repeat, this is a 16-row repeat. So I might need to break this video up into 2 parts. And this one here, because it's a little bit bigger, you're going to go in multiples of 10 plus 1. So I have 2 repeats on here. So I have a total of 21 stitches. And I'm using size 13 knitting needles with the Cascades Lana Grande yarn. And because we started yesterday with baby steps, this one doesn't seem so scary because it really is pretty similar with the knits and the yarn overs and the decreases. So I think that for me it was helpful to do yesterday and then today so I could see how it enlarges and to not be so intimidated. I'm very intimidated by lace. So row 1, we're going to knit the first 3 stitches, which is not part of our repeat. It's just kind of our edge. And then starting with the repeat, we're going to knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. So we're making that one wider. And then we're going to slip, knit, pass the slip stitch over. And then we're going to knit 5 stitches. And then we're going to repeat. So we're going to knit 2 together. So we're decreasing this big diamond in the middle. And then we're going to increase this little one on the side. So we're going to yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit, pass. And then we only have 3 stitches left. So we're just going to knit those last 3 instead of 5 that are in the repeat. And then I'm going to purl the next row and then I will be back with row 3. All right, so row 3. We're going to knit the first 2 stitches and then we'll start our repeat of knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over twice. We're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And then we're going to slip, knit, pass to decrease that diamond. And then we're going to knit these 3 stitches. And then repeat. So we're going to decrease, knit 2 together and decrease, right leaning decrease. And then we're going to knit 1, yarn over twice. And then knit. And then we're going to slip, knit, pass. Slip, knit, pass, because we're going to decrease that half. Okay, instead of knitting 3, we're going to just knit these last 2 stitches. All right, so I'm going to purl this next row and then I'll be back with row 5. All right, so now I'm ready for row 5. Knit that first stitch and we'll start our repeat of knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and then we're going to slip, knit, pass that slip stitch over and knit 1 and repeat. So we're going to knit 2 together. Oops. Knit 2 together. Knit 2. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. Knit 2. And then we're going to slip, knit, pass. So our left leaning decrease. Knit 1. So we're decreasing this diamond, half a diamond on the side. And we just knit that here with these yarn overs and we decreased that. So on the next row, we're going to bring those 3 together to make it a point. So I'll purl the next row and we'll be back for row 7. All right, so now we are ready for row 7. So we're going to knit the first 2 stitches together here, not part of our repeat. and then we're going to knit 3, and then we're going to yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. So we're doing 4 rows of repeat yarn overs there, some lace, and then we're going to knit these 3 stitches, and then this is where we're going to bring this point together. So we have seen this before. We're going to slip as if to knit, knit 2 together, and pass the slip stitch over, and then we're going to repeat. So we're on our last 9 stitches, so we're going to knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then we're going to knit these 3 stitches, and then we're going to slip as if to knit, knit 1, and pass over. So we have 2 stitches there instead of 3 to bring that, complete that diamond. So I'm going to purl row 8, and then I will be back for row 9. All right, so now we're back for row 9. On this row, we have this leaf diamond, and we're going to start bringing it together. So we're going to close this one, and we're going to build the others. So it's like we're going to build this one, and we're going to decrease this one. So the first stitch we're going to knit, which is not part of the repeat. So we're going to yarn over, slip as if to knit, knit 1, pass that slip stitch over for our left leaning decrease, and then we're going to knit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to be the top of our leaf, and then we're going to knit 2 together for our right lean, and then we're going to yarn over, knit 1, and starting our repeat, yarn over and slip, knit, pass. So now we have 3 stitches here, right here, which is the bottom of our leaf or diamond, whichever you want to call it. All right, so I slip knit. Now we're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. This is going to be like a little half diamond over there. So I'll purl the rest, or purl the other side, and I'll be back for row 11. Alrighty, so we're ready for day 11. Day 11, we're ready for row 11. We're going to knit this first stitch. Starting our repeat, yarn over, knit 1, slip, knit, pass, knit 3, knit 2 together because we're decreasing that leafy diamond, and then we're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, because we're increasing this one here, and then we're going to slip, knit, pass to bring this one together. Then we're going to knit 3, knit 2 together, and then we're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Then we'll purl the next row and we'll be ready for row 13. This isn't so bad, right guys? It's going pretty easy. Alrighty, so now we're ready for row 13, which is very similar to row 11. We're just going to increase and decrease. We're going to move our knits. So we're going to knit 1 stitch here, and then we're going to yarn over and then knit 2 stitches. So we're increasing here, and then we're going to slip, knit, pass for that decrease, knit 1, knit 2 together for that decrease. So now we have 3 stitches here. So on the next one, we're going to bring all 3 of those together. And we're going to knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, starting our repeat over, yarn over, knit 2, and then we're going to slip, knit, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, and then knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. I do like how we can watch it get larger and smaller by looking at those increases and decreases. So I'm going to purl row 14 and then we'll be back with row 15 to bring those points together. All right, so now we are back to do row 15 and bring these points together. So we're going to knit this first stitch and start our repeat. Yarn over, knit 3, and then we're going to slip, knit 2 together and pass over. So slip, knit 2 together and pass over to bring that point together, and then knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, and repeat. Yarn over, knit 3, bring our point together, pass that slip stitch over, and we're going to knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, and then purl row 15 and celebrate because you guys made it to the end. And that's what it looks like. It's a very pretty stitch. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know we didn't learn anything new today other than we could do it, and we enlarged yesterday's stitch and made it bigger, but baby steps. So that's a very pretty stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 18. We only have a few days left, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.